So next up we got the transpose track, and this can only be added once, and if we just import it we don't see anything. But if you select your pencil tool, you get the option to create such a bar which you can then move around, and selecting the pencil tool also enables you to click in here and make different sections of the transpose selections. And as you can see, all of these fields that we just created, they got a 0 here. And this means that no transposition is being done at the moment. But we can click here once and then scroll up. 15 for example, click here, scroll down. And we can change the global transposition of the whole project with this. So let's listen to it. Okay, this is weird. Why doesn't this drum loop get transposed, even though we now have this track and even though we set something up? This is because if we click in here, we can see at the info line that the global transpose is set on independent. And it means that this event doesn't even care about what we do here. So we gotta click in here once, and now it's set to follow. And now if we play the audio again, it should work. And as we can see, this worked. So let's drag this to another area of the project and play. So it also works with this MIDI event here. And does it also work with our piano?